Hi, my name's Connie Danner, and I joined Liberty Aid in 2019 for the first time, and even made a testimonial because we could skip probate because we got our trust going, and it was awesome. But I got robbed soon after I joined, and unaware that I was being frauded in the credit in lots of different areas. Found that out years later, like just a couple years ago now. So it's been a while, but anyway, during that time, since I didn't know we had any issues, I just forgot about Liberty Aid, and I didn't keep learning. I got pulled in tons of different directions with all these people who were saying, oh, you have to learn this. Oh, you have to learn this about lawsuits and lawyers and credit and blah, blah, blah. I spent money over there and started fighting it on my own without any help, because these people would promise that they would do something, but they would keep information from me. Like, they would not help. In good faith, I would do what I was supposed to do, and then they would disappear. Not that you couldn't contact them, but their help would disappear, and they would be like, well, you got to figure that out on your own. And it was horrible. But then I don't even know why. I thank God so much, because I came back to Liberty Aid. I just came back, and it was like only 6 months ago. And I am so grateful, because Jack and the staff do not gatekeep. They do not have information that they don't want to give us. Like, they help. And they keep helping, and we're just cowards, and we're dumb, and we don't know what's going on, but we can learn, and they do not keep the information back from us. So I've come back to my foundation, which is the trusts, which is Liberty Aid, which is ecclesiastical. I don't own anything. My person owns nothing and controls whatever it controls. And I'm cleaning up the mess. Again, there's no gatekeeping. This time, I'm not going anywhere. I am going to be so... I don't even know the word. I'm going to be so committed, because this is the only place to learn this. This is the only thing that has worked. But I learned a lot. That's great. But two things I learned is that people, they say they know what they're doing. They act like they know what they're doing, and they lie. I mean, it's so obvious that I should have known that. I'm a grown-up, but I just trusted them. Stupid. But this is what's good. Liberty Aid is trustworthy, obviously. Jack is trustworthy. All the people who've ever talked to me are trustworthy. And I know I'm trustworthy. So I want to be in this group as it grows. I want to help others. I want to clean my own crap up first, but I want to help others as I can. And I'm just so thankful, because now we have this new program coming too, whatever it's going to be called. And Jack is like, please take it. Please do a testimonial. Please, I want to give this to you. I don't want you to pay tons of money. Like, that's the opposite of what other people do. They're like, well, if you just wait, you can do a payment plan. And this stuff is not cheap when they do. I mean, I ended up forking out probably $8,000 to get help. And it was bullshit. And I'm sorry if that's not in the testimonial. I can redo it. But it has been. And I'm so grateful for all of you and for the program. And I'm going to follow it step by step. And I just praise God. I just am out of this BS system and in this system with you guys. So we're a team, and I want to be a good team member. And thank you, Jack. Thank you, Liberty Aid. Thank you, all people. And I just don't know people's names, or I would say thank you to them, because only they've been helpful. Only they've been helpful. So that's my experience up to now. And I love it. You will too.